does not require, because you are not now going to try Eron Kiiza. You are simply declaring his right, and this is the civil division dealing with the right. Just declaring his right that whatever was imposed on him, since he's challenging it, is a nullity, he should be set free. It's not a trial.
Let me tease out another example, quick one. Honorable Commander had an electoral district, the Limikoma district. He filed an application in Toronto, and my brother, the late judge, took the view that as a High Court judge, we have floating jurisdiction, that you can sit anywhere and handle any matter towards our court. So when you took that line, I remember that decision of the So is it your case that wherever a judge is, you can entertain any matter regardless of the divisions that we have in this country or the circuits that we have?
Divisions are administrative conveniences. And they only operate, for example, in Kampala. If you are seated in Masaka, you'd be handling land matters, you'd be handling criminal matters, you'd be handling civil matters. I'm not so sure, but I've argued that you should be even handling labor matters in spite of the existence of the industrial court. Because you expect one industrial court in Uganda to handle labor matters in Karamoja, in Kotido, in Kabale. It's not administratively convenient. My lord, we are dealing with the right and the liberty of a person in this country. His liberty cannot be the subject of administrative conveniences. At the earliest opportunity, your lordship seized with unlimited jurisdiction is my humble prayer, duty bound to give effect to the judgment of the Supreme Court. In fact, my lord, there were attempts to file these matters in the criminal division. And on Ekimis, the registrar of the criminal division purported to even dismiss them. So really, to toss this case from division
evidence that you filed and the registrar commissioned the file.
Yes, it is an
I wish I can have that, because then you can help this.
Yeah, shall supply it. My land friend Mrs. can say more on that matter.
Yes, my lord, regarding that, when we got the matter in the criminal division, which we are going to supply the court, we even met the head of the division, and he brought to our attention the decision of that court that any matter involving Attorney General should be filed in the civil divisions. And that informed the registrar's attendant decision.
Which now makes it that now it is different. Because had you filed, for example, an application for review, because the division you are seeking formally and file everything that was done, because and you don't need so many maybe we shall have
just putting it on your record